Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, first of all, back in the summer of 2021, I did film Septa Regional Rail Line number 2522 that was operated as the local coming from Newark, Delaware. So now, the reason why I get to see 2522 again, this time it is operated as the Doylestown Express. So, I repeat, the one I'm about to see is Septa Regional Rail Line number 2522, this time operated as the Doylestown Express via express to Jenkintown-Wyncote after Temple University. And can you believe this? This is the second time I've got to see 2522. This time operated as an express, going to Doylestown Park and Ride Station. So 2522 is at New Britain Park and Ride Station and then departing New Britain. So it should be at Del Val, or I should say Delaware Valley University momentarily. So it should be here pretty soon. Here we go. So right now coming through is the Doylestown Express number 2522.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning.
341, 340, 359, and 358.
A train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
All right, very nice.